club with racers and rods. Food truck review, car show edition.
So here we are, Engine 53 Pizza. Hey, we're doing a taste test here today. Food truck review. They're out of Seminole, Florida. Hey, we're gonna have a cheese pizza. We're gonna try this out. It's out of a fire truck. It's gonna be good. So Rod, hey, another food truck review here. We're at the car show today, Belmont Car Show, Toys for Tots in Apollo Beach. Engine 53 Pizza, made in a fire truck over here. We've got a cheese pizza, looks really good. We're gonna do a review on it. Let's get a slice here. Looks pretty good. Nice undercarriage there, a little crisp on it. It's a little, not quite as crisp as I like it, but it looks good, a lot of cheese. And let's give it a try, we'll see what we think. So this is a wood fire pizza. It's really good. It got a lot of sauce on it, got a lot of cheese. Has good taste, good tang to it. It's got a little bit of bite to it. Let's try the crust, see what the crust is like. You always got to try the crust. All right, that's good. Wood fire pizza, can't beat that. Could be a little crispier, but everybody doesn't like it like that. I'm a thin, crispy crust kind of guy. Again, cheese pizza, a lot of cheese, a lot of sauce. Really, really good. Good, tasty pizza. One more bite here. All right, this is good pizza. Very good pizza. So again, Engine 53. We're gonna show you their truck here in a minute, see if we can go over and get an interview with them. Really good pizza. Food truck review, car show edition. This one's gonna get a thumbs up. Try them out. We'll see you at the next show.
You could enter the escape velocity of your